Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we off this name password setting in Vivo V20 SE phone guys. V20 SE phone guys, you want to off this name password, so guys you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off this name password in Vivo phone. So guys, first of all guys, open your phone setting and guys click on guys security setting. Guys, this security setting guys, click here guys, click on screen lock. And guys, which password guys you have guys, first of all enter and guys click on first one option, known password. So device protection features will not work without your password, yes, remove. So as you can see guys, we don't have any password in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off name password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.